Mr. Martin Mueller.
Míle buíochas a ceann comhairle. Bhfuil ceist chur an aire amárach tosaíonn mí na Gaeilge agus le linda shreibhse chuirtú béim mhór cuirsa Gaeilge agus ar chorthain cin na Gaeilge. A bhfuil leat a breanú siar luirtear chudanna ceachtainna a dólamid. Tomorrow, a ceann comhairle is the start of Irish Language Month. And during the Minister's tenure, she has put great emphasis on promotion of the Irish language. I wonder if it's appropriate, and what may be your last question time, to reflect on the successes of the Irish language during your period in office and perhaps some of the lessons learned.
Well, certainly it is my last question time, and I just want to use this opportunity to thank the Principal Speaker, the Principal Deputy Speaker, Deputy Speakers, Speaker's Office, the Business Office, and everybody else who's involved in but as well as that, the whips. Certainly in terms of Seachtain na Gaeilge, which is now Mean na Gaeilge, the work that has been done in terms of raising awareness, not just in this island, but right across the world around the event has been massive. I mean, already we're preparing for, as part of Seachtain na Gaeilge, a Gaeilge, which is a quiz which will happen in Culturland, Macadam in Belfast, which will actually take in participants and competitors from New York and indeed right across, and that will be done through Skype. But certainly, even from a very young age to a very, very old age, the awareness around this has been huge and it continues to grow, and I think that's absolutely great. So in terms of what we do from tomorrow onwards, it's a question of watching this space.
Thank you, Martin Mueller, for supplement.
Gramáide a ceann comhairle buíochas fásta leis an aire níor luaí an tara lífa ach tasúm ganneannaí sí sin. Ar bhfuil ar aire tréasú le gach duine ar úpainte go leis an Gaeilge leidreú le linda shreibhse agus tá ráfla leidre an go méid ag leagaí páirte rí fiche séide ag a hagan ar éisiom dhéanana. The Minister didn't mention LIFA, which is certainly a title to do, which is one of the great successes of her tenure, but I wonder, Minister, if you'd like to join me in congratulating those Irish groups which have strengthened the Irish language during your tenure. REEF 2016, the biannual run, comes back to Belfast this year. Minister, there's a strong rumour that you're going to take part in REEF 2016. Maybe you could let us know.
Well, certainly, I thank the member for his question and indeed some of his sentiments. I took part in the last REEF, even though it was a very, very small part, but was happy to do so, and also to take the baton from Conradh na Gaeilge and then pass it on to, I think it was Comafic Rockton and others. And what impressed me was that, well, and I'm easily impressed when it comes to running short distances because I'm one of the short distance runners rather than a long distance runner, but certainly the amount of people from all backgrounds and none who were involved in that, and that will be the case this time. In terms of LIFA, very, very proud of the work around my department, indeed of all the people, all 17,000 and more and growing, of people who have registered with LIFA but also who are learning the Irish language like me. And I think it is something that hopefully will endure in the next mandate. But one thing for sure, that regardless who the next minister is, and I wish them well, that the growth of the Irish language, the interest in the Irish language and indeed the commitment of those involved to the Irish language is going to prevail.